time matters. Your life is busy. OnePlus Watch combines timeless style with ways to better connect with your lifestyle. Individually hand-polished, each watch embodies uncompromising craftsmanship. So when every second counts, meet every challenge head-on with one device. Blood oxygen saturation is a core measure of your health and fitness. It reveals the amount of oxygen being transported to your body and how effectively your body is absorbing it. Get daytime spot checks and sleep monitoring with Sleep Tracker with long-term tracking data to identify potential issues early on. Stress affects our daily lives. Worry less with stress tracking function that detects heart rate variability via fluctuations. The optical heart rate sensor offers valuable insights into your physical and mental well-being. Breath training feature helps you relax and find your zen for maximum health. Say hello to Warp Charge. Get a day's power in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee, or a week's power in 20 minutes. Your time matters, power your life in less. A full charge provides up to 14 days of battery life. The battery life runs day and night, so you can too. Combined with efficient power management, enjoy more juice while you stay loose. Bluetooth 5.0 and powerful call features keep you notified of incoming calls. And with the OnePlus Watch, take hands-free seriously. Stay in touch with family and friends without using your hands. Take a moment of silence. It's time to cut the cord with your phone. Set your music free with 4 GB storage for all your favorite beats. Finding the perfect workout and getting motivated has never been easier. For those who love to gear up and go, satellite positioning for walking and running ensures fast, accurate data with every step. The OnePlus Watch effortlessly tracks your progress so you can power ahead toward your fitness goals. Dive in for your workout. With 5 ATM plus IP68 water resistance, your OnePlus Watch loves to take a dip. Push your personal performance with metrics such as pulse, distance, calories, speed, and swolf efficiency. And with intelligent swimming posture recognition, work out smarter, not harder. Elegance is in the eye of the beholder, but you'll be dazzled. Seamless from one stunning edge to the next, exacting modern craftsmanship merges with classic attention to detail. Beautiful light and shadow float around the edge of the exquisite 46mm watch, capturing the flow of time. The minimalist aesthetic blends with an exquisitely smooth touch. Compelling and evocative, the watch face bezel is unmistakably striking. In line with high-end watches, the watch face is crafted using specially treated sapphire glass for enhanced brightness. With a Mohs rating of 9, it is second only to diamond in hardness for exceptional scratch resistance. Treat yourself to a fashionable strap, crafted for maximum comfort. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.